Gradient fill. The fill is the inside of the drawn object. You can also use a gradient or a bitmap image, such as a JPEG file, as a fill, or you can specify the object to have no fill at all. In a gradient, one color gradually changes into another. Perform the following steps to use gradient fill. Step 1. Select the selection tool. Step 2. Select the rectangle object on the stage. Step 3. Open the color panel by clicking on the window color option from the menu bar. Step 4. In the color panel, select Fill Color, the paint bucket icon, and choose Linear Gradient from the Color Type drop-down list. Step 5. From the color panel, select the color pointer on the left end of the color gradient definition bar. The triangle above it turns black when selected. And then type OOCCFF in the hex value field to specify the color. Press Enter key to apply the color. Step 6. Now select the far right color pointer and then enter FF-A310 for a dark tan color. Press Enter key to apply the color.